Today I'm going to give you 5 vegan cooking tips. So, cooking tip number 1 is use more seasoning. Some people think, oh, well, it's just vegetables or it's just peas, so you don't need much seasoning. Remember, meat and fish and things like that have their own flavor, but vegetables don't usually tend to have as strong a flavor as, say, meat or fish or peas. So you need to use the same amount of seasoning you'd use in a meat or fish dish. Use the same amount of seasoning if it's on a vegan dish. So use more seasoning, because some people think, oh, well, it's just vegetables, it doesn't need much seasoning. Oh yes, it does. It does. So I'd use more, the same as, or even slightly more seasoning in it as well. 2, batch cook or meal prep in advance. It will help you a lot if you prepare your vegan meals in advance, particularly if you're new to vegan cooking, or if you just want to save money, or if you just want to be really organized. Meal prep and batch cook in advance. So if you're using lots of beans and pulses and so forth, you can boil the beans and pulses in advance, drain them, and you can freeze them. I'll do a video about that. If you'd like me to do a video about that, comment in the comment section below how to cook beans and pulses in advance and to freeze them as well. I'll do a video about that in the future. Comment below and let me just see how many people would be interested in that, which I'm sure you are, because some of you have asked me about that already. So batch cooking in advance. I know some people find it a bit overwhelming to do batch cooking because it tends to be seem like a lot, but just do enough for, say, a week or 3 days even. So if you just do it for 3 days or even 2 days, at least that's something, and you can get into the swing of it. And as you batch cook, kind of keep notes on what you did and how you used the things that you batch cook in advance. Number 3, try different brands. So when you're cooking, sometimes certain brands work well or better for certain dishes. So say, for example, you're going to make a vegan cake and you're going to use non-dairy milk. Certain milks, non-dairy milks will work better than others, and certain brands will work better than others, because not all vegan products are created equal. So certain, let's say almond milk, which I use, different manufacturers make it slightly differently. So some may work out better for you than others, and some you may prefer the taste of more than others. So don't just assume if you've used one almond milk, okay, almond milk won't work if I use that brand. Try 1 or 2 others and see how it works in your dish as well. Do a cookery course. I always say that every day is a school day, so it's great to learn and grow. So if you want to learn more about vegan cooking, it's always great to do a course. Every now and then again, I run courses. If you're interested in a short cookery course that's not too expensive, comment in the comment section below, or drop me a message via Instagram or via my website to say I'm interested in joining your cookery course. I do short ones, I do like half-day ones, I do like ones that are just for a couple of hours as well, just short ones that just teach you some basics and just teach you some nice recipes that you can start incorporating into your cooking repertoire. And 5, use cookbooks for inspiration. So sometimes people say, all right, I want to cook something vegan, I don't know what to do. Get yourself a vegan cookbook. Now, I'm not saying you have to get mine, but I would greatly appreciate if you got this one. It is a kid's cookbook, but a lot of adults buy it as well because they say, oh, actually, it's a really good book to use if you're new to vegan cooking, because the recipes are quite easy to follow. So I'll leave a link in the description below of how to, for this, my cookbook called Cooking with Kids. It's got lots of recipes in there. It's got desserts, main courses, sides dishes, lots of colourful pictures and lots of information as well. Those are my top 5 tips for vegan cooking. So just to recap, tips for vegan cooking: 1, use more seasoning. 2, batch cook in advance, so do your meal prep. 3, try different brands, because not all brands of different ingredients, vegan ingredients, will taste the same, i.e. not all, for example, almond milk or non-dairy milk will taste the same. so try different ones. 4, do a cookery course of some sort to kind of learn and grow and stretch yourself a bit. And number 5, use cookbooks for inspiration, because this is not the first time somebody's going to cook vegan food. There's a wealth of information that people can give you when you use a cookbook. So with the cookbook, you can use it as a basis and think, right, in this recipe they use this ingredient, but I can switch it out for something else. So use it for inspiration and to help you on your vegan journey. And you can also obviously watch my videos. I have over 200 videos on my YouTube channel. Tons of them are recipes, and I'll leave the links to the playlists for the different recipes in the description below. So there you have it. These are my tips for cooking vegan food. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. And please follow me on Instagram, because here is my Instagram, because I love to see what you make using my recipes. I really enjoy when you tag me in. So if you make any of my recipes, please post a pic on Instagram and tag me in. That will be great. So now all there is left to say is eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.